Welcome to WebUI Training, Order Entry, Course Number 115, Advanced Line Entry of a Stock Product. This training video will demonstrate the advanced line entry function using a stock product on a sales order in order entry. The key fields included are advanced line entry, line type, quantity shipped, special price cost per unit, net available, line information, extended fields, and the inquiry arrows. Before starting, you will need to have completed the following courses. When you have completed your Order Entry Initiate screen and have clicked Next, the Order Entry Advanced Line Entry screen will appear. This screen has a lot of information about product that you're entering in on your order. Your line type is stock, which means that the warehouse stocks the product and you have a SKU for it. In your product field, you can choose from the last 5 that you've used, or you can enter in a new product, and the system will return a list of products that match what you've entered. Select, and the screen will populate and refresh with the product that you have selected. Enter your quantity to order, and after each entry of a field, the screen will refresh to validate the information that you've put into the order. You have your quantity ordered, your unit of measure, the price per each, and the quantity shipped. The quantity shipped field will tell you if your order will ship complete or if there is a back order, not enough product on hand to fill the order. Your net amount is your total of your price and your quantity ordered. The special price cost per unit field will tell you if the product is priced in a per 1,000 square foot, a board foot, a lineal foot, or any other type of pricing that is different than a price per each. Your net available field will tell you how many pieces of the product you have available. This return button, if you check it, the system will create a return on the line instead of a sale. You will see this if you have security to do this type of process. In the middle of your screen, you will see some tabs here for additional information about the product that you have entered. The sourcing tab is used for when you're going to source the line to a purchase order or a warehouse transfer. The pricing tab will give you information about the pricing of the product. The comments tab will take you to the line comment screen where you can add more information for the product on the order. And the customer product tab will take you to the customer product screen where you can enter in a product number that the customer wants to have associated with this line. Scrolling down, you have the line information section, and this will tell you more information about your product that you're putting on the order. If the customer wants the price on the acknowledgement or the invoice, how many is on order from the vendor to the warehouse, if there is any back order demand, this will populate here. Your weight per the quantity that you've entered, how many cubes that quantity will create on the truck. If your customer has a product number that they want to have associated with the product, that will populate here. And if there's a standard pack for the product, it will show here. Down further is the extended fields. If you click on the show more, you will see the cost, margin, percent, margin amount, any discounts, the sales rep in and sales rep out for the territory, product category, if there's any restriction overrides for the product, the lead time for more product to come in. Country is for overseas products. If the product comes from a certain country, it will be notated here. If the line needs to be a rush to the buyer, the usage button will be checked so that the usage can be calculated for the buyer. If there's any subtotals on the order, and the HS code and the ECCN is again for overseas product. And you can see if the product is taxable or for resale. Going back up, if you'd like to inquire on the product, you can click the arrow here and it will take you to a product inquiry screen. This screen will tell you information about the product and transactional history. Click the X to close it to return to the order entry screen. The arrows next to your quantity ordered and quantity shipped lead to a product availability inquiry. This is information about the product and what's going to happen in the future, and warehouse availability. Once you have finished with this screen, click the X to return to the order entry screen. When you are finished with adding your stock product in the advanced line entry screen, click Add, and the product will be added to your products list. Congratulations, you have just completed course number 115, Advanced Line Entry of a Stock Product. Now it's time to try it out. Go to Employees at Work, click the WebUI Train icon, and follow the instructions to log in. Here is your suggested next course.